Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to make a duet video on a TikTok. If you are enthusiastic on any video that is available on TikTok and you would like to have a duet with that video, then the situation how you will have a duet video. Let's see. Simply I will open a TikTok applications. Now see guys, for example here, on this video I would like to have a duet, On this video, I would like to have a duet. How you will make? See, simply, if you would like to have a duet video on a TikTok, simply I will click on a share option. So let me click here. Now see here, we have option here. See, one is report, second is not interested, third is your duet video, and fourth one is your added to favorite. So in that situation, simply I will click on this third option, that is a duet. So let me click here on a duet options. Now see guys, it has started to load. Now see here, it has started to load. Now see, one side is your camera, second is your with that video you would like to have a duet video. So this one is original content and second one your reaction content, just this is. So if you would like to change your camera front here, rear camera, of course you can by clicking on this flip option you can have. If you would like to front camera, simply you will click on this. Now it is your front camera. If you would like to have rear camera, of course, click on this. You will be able to have a rear camera. Simply, while recording your reactions, if you would like to have a sound also spontaneously that video, then the situation, you can click on this mic, unmute. So now it's unmute. If you don't want to use your audio on your reaction video on our original content, with that you would like to have a duet video, then the situation simply just mute it. So I have muted now. Simply now I will start to record it. So see guys, what I will do, simply just I will click here to record. So let me click on this video options. So now see guys, it has started to record here. So this is easy way to make a duet video on a TikTok. And still if you have any inquiry, then of course you can raise the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query guys. So thank you very much. Have a great time.